Want to completely reset what you're seeing on your Explore page on Instagram, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to reset your Instagram Explore page. Now let's get started. To reset your Instagram Explore page, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Content Preferences. Then tap Reset Suggested Content. At the bottom, tap Next. Then tap Reset Suggested Content. To confirm, tap Reset Suggested Content in the pop-up window. That's all it takes to reset your Explore page on Instagram. Want to customize your Instagram algorithm? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.